dominating. But I don't have as many words as me. I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys for your prayers and support. Thank you to Brother Tyrone. He and I spoke way back when Rev first told us on the very first day, and he was probably just as nervous as I was, as I am today. But just want to thank everyone. I thank Pastor for allowing me to be able to do this. Amen. Thank you again for these gentlemen in the middle of Asia in this church. Troy mentioned those individuals that he kind of stole what I was going to tell him or mention this morning, but it says a lot that those same individuals have an influence on myself as well as he has. So again, thank you guys and have a great day.
Amen, amen. Thank you, Coach Evan, Robinson, and Brother Connie. They work beautifully together. And so we thank God for them. Drum Brother Shirley Williams. Your coach and help is going to be Brother John Curtis. Y'all going to get to know each other real well. Yeah. And I was speaking this game. I like to keep people nervous. We don't tell people when to make you nervous. So, Brother Steve, you gone. Amen. God bless you, gentlemen. 2019 co-chair speaker for many days. Amen. All right, y'all ready to do that right now. Brother Tony gonna tell y'all everything y'all need to know. You'll see him after service on the day. Again, thank you, Brother Ray, for joining us on the day. Please come and share with Brother Ray on the service on the day. And I did want to make an honorary co-chair. I'm looking at it again. An honorary co-chair. That's going to be Brother James Scott. God bless you, God keep you. Everyone stay for Sunday school. Amen. Everyone stay for Sunday school. Let's share with Brother Ray after the day. Please go out and vote. Amen. God bless you. Let us stand and see.